Hi friends, this video we are going to discuss about how freshers can start RPA and what are the ways they has to start in different RPA tools. So this video it's all about for freshers who entering into RPA. See, you are very new to RPA and you are probably planning to learn something in RPA. This video will helpful for you. So before, suppose you are a fresher, maybe you are completed your academic degree and you are entering into the field which is having to searching for a job. So in that case, you have to before if you want to learn RPA, before you have to take these type of questions from your side. Are you a quick learner? How and what are all the ways you are good in analyzing and requirement gathering? So how good you are in coding and how fast you are understand the business process to the particular requirement in the company. So RPA is not all about learning the tool, it's all about learning the business process, understanding the business process, giving a quick solution and getting a requirement gathering and analysis and create a feasible solution and writing a coding. So these are all the things are involved when are coming to mind when you are entering into RPA. So coding is very important part in RPA, whether C sharp, VB or else Magro, SQL Server coding. When people coming into RPA, they are thinking their mind there is no need for write the code. That is completely wrong. If you entering into RPA, you must have coding knowledge, whether C sharp or VB or .NET or else PowerShell or else Windows administrator tool, some scriptings, VB script or JavaScript, batch file scripts. So these are all the important things involved before moving to or jumping into RPA world. So the world of RPA is all about depending on your coding knowledge. Any tool, if you enter into Blue Prism, the code stage, you have to write the code C sharp or VB or J sharp. If you enter into UiPath, you if your favorite with .NET, if you enter into UiPath, that would be very good for you. If you're entering into Automation Anywhere, there has been Metabot. The Metabot has completely dependent on .NET code and .NET DLLs with offline applications. So in that case, you have to be strong in coding. And second thing, the database. The database like querying, select, update, insert, and creating stored procedure, cursors. So how often you can use cursors? Cursors will be helpful if you're creating any temporary updation, temporary insert into any of the tables. Cursor, stored buzzer, function. So these are all the things you have to be learn. You have to be practice before entering and before jumping into the world of RPA. So learning tool is a secondary thing and practicing things is secondary. But first thing, you must be clear some certifications. If you are entering as a fresher in RPA, so instead of your knowledge, companies are expected you to complete at least some certifications. Maybe OpenSpan, maybe Beggar, or else maybe Blue Prism Developer, or else Automation Anywhere Advanced, or else UiPath Foundation. So these kind of basic certifications you need to be clear, you need to be complete, or else in Automation Anywhere Bot Developer. So these type of basic certifications important. So then only companies has to believe. So you as a fit to their requirement. So certification is very important. So before moving to RPA certifications, at least you have to complete Microsoft certifications like Microsoft SQL Server, or else Microsoft C Sharp developer. So this type of certification is very important for the companies they want to take up you. And the third thing is the analyze and the gathering and getting the requirement. Suppose if you are very good in getting analyzing the requirement from the client side, that would be good. You can welcome into RPA world and you can move ahead up searching the job. And sometimes if you have very much coding knowledge, that would be good. If you have very less coding knowledge, that also good. You can come, you can survive to RPA. So when you move into tools in market, Blue Prism is the tool you can learn easily. Second is UiPath. These are the market value tools. So instead of Automation Anywhere, you can move UiPath and Blue Prism. UiPath you can get lot of free tools, lot of free videos you can learn and you can jump on it. And Blue Prism you cannot get as much as UiPath, but anyway you can learn and you can jump on it. Other than Blue Prism UiPath, there is nice tool, Redwood tool is available, Beggar Robotics is available, OpenSpan. So OpenSpan and Beggar Robotics you can easily learn and you can easily move on it. They have a lot of certifications, a nice tool. So and each and every MNCs like Infosys they have some different tools. Cognizant they created some different tools. So every companies inside there they have created own robotics tools and they are working on it. So these are all the things majorly considered when you jumping. If you are a fresher, you are jumping into RPA. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video and we will learn some new ideas in our next video.